With Arboreal Tree you can measure much more than just the height. I will now show you how to measure the diameter, the circumference of the trunk and the crown width and the crown height. I will also share a few tips and tricks. Measuring the diameter has two options. One is the caliper, the standard method, and that one works best for trees up to 60 cm in diameter. Just aim at the tree and press the button and you have your measurement. Some trees are oval, so to get a better measurement you should measure them a second time from another position. Digital tape. It is best for trees larger than 25 cm. Aim at the tree and walk slowly around it. If your phone doesn't have lidar, you see a blue dots placed on the tree, showing where the bark is detected. If you don't see any dots, move the phone closer to the tree and then further away. If your phone has lidar, you will see a line of dots on the tree instead. Once you have walked all the way around, you will see the result. Measuring the crown shape. Walk around the tree, following the perimeter of the crown and place out point as you go around it. You will both get the size and the shape of the crown. Measuring the crown width. Once you have measured the height, you can mark the left and right side of the tree to get the crown width. Measuring the crown height. Once you have measured the height, you can also measure the crown height. Just mark the lowest part of the crown. Take a photo. If you like to save an image of the tree, you can do that after measuring the height. If you can't get close to the tree, you can enter distance manually. Here I'm using a laser distance meter, which shows the distance in meters. I enter the distance and then mark the base and the top of the tree. All your measurements are saved on the device. You can export them as a CSV file and JPEG images. You can also sync your data to the cloud and access it at arboreal.se. Good luck with your measurements!